The 5-liter draft Beer Line Cleaning Keg is an easy way to clean your beer lines with no pumping required. Just connect your CO2 to the keg and it'll push water and cleaning solution through your draft system. Step 1. Unscrew the cap from the bottle and fill it with a mixture of warm water and the proper amount of cleaning solution. Step 2. Disconnect the coupler from your keg and then connect it to the cleaning keg. The bottle will pressurize and fill the line with cleaning solution. Step 3. Place a bucket under your faucet and then open the faucet, allowing the liquid to flow until you can begin to see cleaning solution coming out. Step 4. Close your faucet and allow the solution to soak inside your lines for about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 5. After allowing the solution to sit in your lines, open your faucet and allow at least 2 liters of solution to flush through your system. Step 6. Once you've run your solution through your lines, disconnect the keg coupler from the cleaning bottle. Step 7. Pull the pressure relief valve on the bottle to relieve pressure and then unscrew the cap on the bottle. Empty out any remaining cleaning solution, then thoroughly rinse the cleaning keg. Step 8. Refill the cleaning keg with cold fresh water and screw on the cap. Step 9. Reattach your keg coupler, then open the faucet to allow the fresh water to flush out any remaining cleaning solution. You should allow at least 2 liters of fresh water to flow through your lines. Once your line is flushed, we recommend that you soak and clean your coupler and draft faucet to maintain a clean system from keg to faucet. After cleaning your system, you can attach your coupler to your beer keg and pour a fresh pint through your clean system. If you want to learn more, go to kegworks.com and subscribe to our email for more knowledge on tap.